What if everything you're searching for in life is already trying to find you? And what if the only thing standing in your way is your fear of following your own dream? In this video, I'm sharing powerful lessons and my personal insights from The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This isn't just a story, it's a guide about purpose, courage, and following your dreams. The book follows a young shepherd named Santiago who dreams of finding treasure near the pyramids of Egypt. But along the journey, he realizes something powerful. The real treasure isn't just at the destination, it's who he becomes along the way. The main message of this book is, everyone has a personal legend, a purpose or dream in life. But most people never follow it because of fear, comfort, or doubt. Don't ignore what you truly want. Your desires are clues to your purpose. Take one small step toward it. Your journey starts with a decision. Fear is the biggest obstacle. Fear of failure, fear of uncertainty, fear of losing comfort. Acknowledge your fear. Take action anyway. Build courage through small wins. Fear disappears when you move forward. Santiago faces challenges, losses, and doubts, but every experience teaches him something. The journey is your teacher. Stop seeing obstacles as failure. Keep moving forward. Your heart knows your truth, but many people ignore it. Spend time in silence. Reflect on what feels right. Trust your intuition. Life constantly gives you chances, but you need to notice them. Stay open-minded. Be aware of new opportunities. Take action when something feels right. The Alchemist teaches us this. Your dream is not random. It's part of who you are. And when you have the courage to follow it, life begins to support you in unexpected ways. If this message inspired you, comment, follow your dream below as a reminder to take action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this message. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.